Sunny days and blue skies make Zephyrhills, Florida the perfect place to live either year-round or seasonally. And the perfect community for that is Ramblewood. This quaint community, nestled in the sprawling oak forest, awaits your arrival. With a spacious clubhouse, there's always plenty to do, as residents often enjoy potluck dinners, bingo, line dancing, Ramblewood also offers a heated swimming pool, and multiple shuffleboard courts. While downtown Zephyrhills offers boutiques, coffee shops, and unique restaurants, many other stores like Walgreens, CVS, and Publix are also nearby. Top-notch medical facilities are also minutes from the community. Just outside Zephyrhills, you will find attractions such as the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, many incredible beaches, and theme parks such as Disney World, Busch Gardens, and Legoland. For the sports enthusiasts, less than an hour from the community, you will find home of the Major League sports teams, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, the Tampa Bay Rays, and the Tampa Bay Lightning. And for those who enjoy traveling, Ramblewood is conveniently located to both the Orlando and Tampa International airports. Services included in your monthly lot rent are lawn mowing, garbage pickup, water, and sewer, leaving you more free time to meet new friends or just relax and work on your tan. Be sure to check out our selection of pre-owned homes. Ramblewood is a beautiful community that offers affordable living and a convenient location. What are you waiting for? Contact Ramblewood today.